Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Betterment and understand taxable events, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw using Betterment, start by logging into your Betterment account. Once logged in, navigate to the transfer or withdraw section. Select the account you wish to withdraw from. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw. Review the withdrawal options available to you, including bank transfers or check requests. Choose your preferred method for receiving funds. Confirm your bank account information to ensure a smooth transaction. Next, review any potential fees associated with the withdrawal. Carefully read any prompts regarding taxable events linked to your withdrawal. If you have investments in a taxable account, understand that selling these can trigger capital gains tax. Review your capital gains situation by checking your gain or loss for the investments you are selling. Withdraw from tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs may have different rules, including possible penalties for early withdrawal. If you are unsure about taxable events, consult a tax advisor for personalized guidance. Once everything looks good, finalize your withdrawal by confirming your request. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal shortly. Stay informed about the timeline for transaction completion, as this may vary depending on the method chosen. After your funds have been successfully withdrawn, monitor your account statements for accuracy. Keep records of your transactions for tax purposes and future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.